Nama competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat. They are never our competition. Competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sedang di email pa jong apa di amba yang penkala no syaka guest house lah ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Tingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms tang ba no ka 4 rooms ni sutho ba mah nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand ka daw ka floor jong ki tourist kila sedang bod ading ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan katsan room. Habawan kum kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kolong big opportunities hingi ki yun bangin yo company how jaka bangin Leit shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma bangin la dak puli tingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang Leit sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lani ki instay lani Kiwei ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive kawai ka award ma kasin ka gold award jang tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka dekat ka ni kawai company ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lo dia boro ka trahi ban promote lo dia boro